Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup video is gonna be at this look right here, as you guys requested for a fall makeup look. So it's here. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So I already did my brow off camera. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty texture eyeshadow palette and taking this first color as my best color and slowly building that color. So now I'm going to take this color as my transition color and blending slowly. So again, I'm going to take that same lid color just to intensify this look. So in this look, blending is key so that it doesn't look patchy and harsh. So I'm going to take that same lid color and smoke out my lower lash line as well. So for my face, I'm going to take this NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. It's on the shade Punjab. And I'm going to bounce with my Wet Beauty Blender. So as well as I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer just to highlight and conceal my face. And for the contour, I'm going to take this Anastasia Cream Contour Kit and blending with my Beauty Blender again. So to set my contour, I'm going to use my Hula bronzer from Benefit. And for the blusher, as always, I'm going to take my Benefit Gold Rush Blusher. So for the glow, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter and applying on the highest point of my face. So now I'm going to add a little bit of same lid color on my lash line to make it more darker because I think it's looking like flat. So now to make our eyes more pop out, I'm going to add this Stella glitter on my inner corners. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. It's on the shade Girlfriend. So my lashes are on. It's from Ariel Wispy Lashes. So this is my final look. Very simple, less product, and only 3 sets of eyeshadow. So I hope you guys like this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.